This is the best phone holder and charger that I've ever had, and it's a product that actually makes your life easier on a daily basis. As you can see, it automatically grabs your phone when you set it on the holder. And it has built-in wireless charging, so as soon as it grips your phone, it'll start to charge it at the highest rate available on your device. You don't have to plug or unplug any wires. You just set your phone down and you're done. To release the phone, there are buttons on both sides just behind the phone. Press either one to release it. The charger itself has one cable that ends with a USB connection. If you don't have a USB plug in your vehicle, you can use any cigarette lighter adapter to plug it in. You can mount this holder 3 different ways. In this vehicle, I attached it to the air vent. In this vehicle, I used this mount with the suction cup to attach it directly to the dash. So the third way to attach it is to take this whole thing, flip it upside down, and then you can attach the suction cup to the inside of your windshield. So this can literally be mounted to any vehicle. Also, we live in Arizona where the interior temperature of cars can get well over 130 degrees in the summer. And this suction cup stays attached, which quite frankly is incredible. I've put these in 4 different vehicles and had them for years, and nothing's gone wrong with any of them. If I had to buy another holder, I'd buy the exact same one again. That's how good this phone holder is. I paid $30 a piece for mine on Amazon. Right now on TikTok, these are on sale for $15. Hit the shop button and grab one of these while they're on sale. I guarantee it's going to make your life easier.